Okay, hey guys, it's me, GG Super 64 here, back with another video, and today I'm doing a M.U.G.E.N tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to get more character slots in M.U.G.E.N. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but yeah, the first thing you're going to want to do is open it up, go to this folder, and go to data in M.U.G.E.N 1 and system.def, and you want to open that up in Notepad, and then you just scroll down a bit, and okay, so here it is. You see right here it says rows and columns. You can just backspace and change it to whatever number you want, and then go to the game. Just wait for the load. Okay, and then you go to here, and then you should have all of whatever number of the slots you typed in, and that's pretty much it.